Newsflash, snoring is embarrassing and can be unhealthy. I know, you've tried other solutions and they don't work. So you're tired, you're frustrated, and maybe even have issues with partners trying to sleep in the same bed as you. Vital Sleep came up with a natural solution for snoring. It's a mouthpiece that's made from safe materials here in the USA. It comes in both men's and women's sizes, and you mold it to fit your teeth for a comfortable fit. It also allows for personal adjustments on the lower portion to make sure that it's the most effective for you. Give it a try and see if it works for you.